the wings so you can put them back.
Alright, let's go. I'll just stop right there at the circle.
Throttle cut. Normal mode. Throttle cut. Normal mode. Take off flaps.
Hey, send me the video of my F-14. Hold on.
I have one too, I think. Tell me when you're ready.
Timer cleared.
Go.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Madman flight!
It kind of blurred out after you lifted off, but you can clearly see the burner.
That's alright.
Alright, I'm clear.
Okay. This is an old pack too. Oh, that looks real. Look at it when it goes by, Nate. Looks pretty dang real.
The purple burner.
It's the Prince burner.
Max, do you have your phone on you? What? Do you have your phone on you?
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Purple rain.
Now, that's not right. You're thermal max. Thermal max. Oh, yeah, we get to see my F-22 lights now. Damn. That looks so sick. Welcome.
Time remaining 1 minute.
That was real. Not green. You're welcome, Max. Thank you for that. That's too cool.
Thirty seconds.
Yo, Frank. Yo. Looky.
Gear down.
Can actually see the satellite.
10. Landing flaps. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Don't get much better than that, baby.
Now we go.
Flaps up.
All right, that's a good way to finish my F-5 flights.
I'm off to the right side. Oh, I love the delay on the burner on this side. It's really good.
Your lights look
Throttle
really
cut.
good. See, that's what I like right there. That. See, I got a delay on that too. Look.
Yeah. So what's on right. I was excited about that burner. The burner.
Normal mode.
It's so much better than I thought. Yo, Max, look at my navs.
Even better.
But it's so much
Throttle
like,
cut.
even just like it just looks so cool when you like see it.
You don't realize it till you actually see it and
Yeah,
get to use it.
Max, you see this?
No, yeah.
The
Like I
delay,
would
though.
not have. Yeah.
I am shocked that Motion RC